Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best solid nail gel is probably one of the most revolutionary advancements in at-home manicures, offering unparalleled durability and a professional finish that can transform your nails from ordinary to extraordinary, providing a long-lasting, chip-resistant shine perfect for anyone looking to elevate their nail game without frequent salon visits, making it an essential tool for beauty enthusiasts seeking salon-quality results right at their fingertips. Number 5. Makartt Nail File 100-180 Grit. Introducing the Makartt Nail File, your professional solution for perfect nails. These high-quality files are designed to meet all your manicure needs. Featuring a 100-180 grit, these emery boards offer dual functionality. The coarser side is ideal for shaping, while the finer side smooths and refines. This pack includes 10 durable, double-sided zebra-patterned files. They are built to last and provide excellent grip for comfortable use. These coarse fingernail filers are perfect for tackling tough tasks. Use them effectively for acrylic and extension gel removal, making your nail care routine easier. Whether you're a professional or doing your nails at home, these files are an essential part of any manicure kit. Achieve salon-quality results with ease and precision. What we like. This essential tool offers versatile 100-180 grit for shaping and smoothing. Its double-sided design makes it perfect for both natural nails and tough acrylic or gel removal. If you're looking for a durable, multi-purpose file that delivers salon-quality results at home, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points about the product could be extracted. Number 4. SAVILAND 48 Colors Nail Art Gel Paint Kit. Introducing the ultimate nail art solution, the SAVILAND 48 Colors Gel Paint Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to unleash your creativity and elevate your nail designs. Dive into a spectrum of 48 rich, solid gel polish colors. Each shade offers brilliant pigmentation for stunning and long-lasting nail art. This kit comes equipped with 15 specialized brushes. They are perfect for intricate details, broad strokes, and every design in between. Explore endless possibilities from delicate floral patterns to classic French tips. You can effortlessly create precise lines and perfect dots with these versatile tools. Achieve salon-quality finishes right at home or in a professional setting. This kit provides everything you need for flawless and artistic manicures. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate DIY enthusiast, this kit is perfect for you. It offers professional-grade tools and colors for every skill level. What we like. Unleash your creativity with this expansive palette of 48 vibrant gel colors. It comes complete with a set of brushes, perfect for intricate floral, line, and dotting art. If you love experimenting with detailed nail art and want a comprehensive kit to bring your designs to life, this set is an absolute must-have. What people say. Number 3. SAVILAND Builder Gel for Nails. Discover the ultimate solution for beautiful nails with SAVILAND Builder Gel. This innovative product is designed to help you achieve salon-quality results at home. Experience the strength and clarity of its 30 ml clear hard gel. It provides a durable and flexible foundation for stunning nail extensions. This unique formula includes an air-cushioned builder base, ensuring a smooth and effortless application. It helps create a perfect canvas for your nail art. Beyond extensions, it also acts as a nail strengthener, promoting healthier nails. The comprehensive art manicure set provides everything you need for creative designs. The kit comes equipped with 100 high-quality nail forms and a professional acrylic brush. These tools make shaping and applying the gel simple and precise. Ideal for thickening natural nails or creating robust extensions, this gel is perfect for home use. Achieve professional-looking manicures without leaving your house. What we like. Achieve beautiful, strong nail extensions with this clear hard gel formula. It's ideal for both lengthening and strengthening your natural nails, and even includes nail forms for easy application. If you're new to Builder Gel and want a complete starter kit for durable extensions, this product provides everything you need. What people say. Number 2. SAVILAND LED and UV Builder Nail Gel. Discover the ultimate solution for stunning nails. This high-quality builder gel offers a generous 100G capacity, ensuring you have plenty for all your creative projects. Designed for convenience, it cures perfectly under both LED and UV lamps. This ensures a strong, durable finish every time, adapting to your preferred setup. Achieve beautiful nail extensions with ease. It also works wonders to strengthen your natural nails, providing a protective layer against daily wear and tear. Enjoy a crystal clear finish that enhances any design. Its hard gel formula provides exceptional durability, making your manicure last longer. Perfect for your at-home DIY nail art and manicure sets. This kit provides all the essential stuff you need to unleash your creativity and achieve salon-quality results. What we like. This generous 100G jar ensures you won't run out of product anytime soon for all your extension needs. Its versatile formula cures under both LED and UV lamps, offering convenience and flexibility. If you're a frequent user or a professional salon looking for a cost-effective, high-capacity builder gel, this large pot is an excellent investment. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to enable extraction of helpful points. Number 1. MODELONES 15 ml Nail Dehydrator and Primer Kit. Achieve a flawless foundation for your manicures. This kit provides the crucial first steps for long-lasting results. It includes both a nail dehydrator and a primer in one convenient package. These work together to perfectly prepare your natural nails. Formulated without harsh acids, it is gentle on your nails. This ensures a safe and effective application every time. Concerned about HEMA? This product is HEMA-free, making it a great choice for sensitive users. It prioritizes your nail health. It creates a strong bond between your natural nail and your acrylic or gel polish. This prevents lifting and extends the wear of your manicure. Experience professional-grade adhesion and durability with every use. Your manicures will look flawless and last longer. What we like. Ensure maximum adhesion and longevity for your manicures with this essential dehydrator and primer duo. Its acid-free and HEMA-free formula is gentle on nails, preventing lifting and chipping. If you want your gel or acrylic applications to last longer and prefer a gentle yet effective nail prep, this duo is crucial for a flawless finish. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.